spinach and ricotta pizza with sauteed cauliflower and clementine salad. It's supposed to look like this. I'm fine with the whole having pizza. I don't know about having, I guess, a vegetarian pizza, just because I don't like vegetables. And there's no meat on this.
Surprise, surprise.
Yeah, we'll see what happens. Oh, and I don't like ricotta.
Yeah, that's a big part of it. Ricotta is delicious.
No.
You're gonna be using this one today.
I get it itchy bitchy enough today.
Really mince the garlic.
Cut off and discard the scallion roots. Cut out and discard the cauliflower core.
Is it cool?
Oh, the scallions kind of got to my eyeballs. How do you cut out the dang core?
Pick the oregano off the stems.
What am I supposed to do with the oregano?
Pick the stems off the leaves. Cool, done. So peel the clementine. Clementine!
How do you peel clementine?
Cut it like that, and then peel it. But don't cut it all the way through, you just cut in the peel. We have to add half of the vinegar, or a quarter of the vinegar. And just go all crazy like you did the last time. We're moving to the cooking.
Oh, yay! We got it. So, I have a half. I need to do 1 teaspoon of olive oil, which I probably should turn this on.
Might help me.
I hope this is yummy. I'm hungry. I think it's good.
What
the heck was that?
I don't know. I got a game center challenge. Music, no tap tap.
Really? Want it?
Is she actually eating it?
Yeah, but you. Really want another one? Ooh, that was my finger.
I would try to scoop out a little bit of it at a time. Spinach pea.
Kind of smells like it too.
Cool. Alright, now you chop it.
The garlic, all of it?
Yep. Ooh, move the pan that way. There you go. You moved it right back where it was. That looks so good. I always like watching the garlic sizzle.
Happy little garlic.
Guys. Just don't burn me, please.
So, spinach. Thank you.
We're gonna have to put paper down. Do you have any?
Yeah.
You gonna tell me where it is?
Oh, country.
And it says...
And then the ricotta. All the ricotta.
Yeah.
Smells good.
I don't see how you don't like ricotta. I think ricotta's good.
Whenever I have it on lasagna, it's nasty, so I have to have it without ricotta.
Well, this is the only cheese other than this. Like, we top it with this. This is gonna be spread out over the entire pizza.
I mean, probably if it's not like in a big gulp,
Yeah.
like of the lasagna, I think it'll be
It can be a thing
fine.
there. All right, so now we gotta prepare this area to roll out the dough. Oh, we need, it says either a rolling pin or a wine bottle. We need to gently stretch it out. Do we have anything we can use?
Wine bottle.
We'll use this wine bottle. Using your hands and a rolling pin or a wine bottle, gently stretch and roll the dough to a 1/4 inch thickness. So I guess while you're doing that, I can get going with the oil.
Okay. There we go.
Yep.
What the heck?
Oh, this is gonna be a great pizza.
Don't have any like dough or something, or not dough, flour.
It doesn't say to use it.
Is it because the bottle's cold? Because it doesn't want to move. I don't think I made any progress.
Keep it going. You start tossing it. Like, up and down. I'm very surprised they didn't say use flour.
I think that's fine. Just put it on the pan. It doesn't have to be pretty. I just don't want to eat now.
Oh, this is great. Yeah, theirs looks so much bigger than ours.
Bangman.
Until the liquid has cooked off. It has cooked off. Okay, so as much of the oregano as we would like. How much do you think? We got a lot.
I think that's probably good. I guess I'll make another plate for Jimmy.
Alright, yeah, because it said divide 2/3 of it between meals, so this he's got that plate. He's not fancy like that. Oh god, that's hot.
It looks yummy.
Warped our pan. Jimmy!
Food!
Pizza!
So cheesy.
Yeah, that is very strong cheese.
I might not like it.
You don't like cheese?
Not that strong of cheese.
You like the macaroni?
It's
Yeah.
good.
You can cut it into thirds.
You're not gonna eat one, so y'all can split the other half.
I probably won't.
Or that.
I'll have a bite and see where it goes from there.
Okay.
I can just smell that cheese.
There you go.
Wow. I'm so nervous about it.
Don't
Why?
eat it yet.
Because The cheese smells overpowering.
Alright.
Vegetarian pizza.
I'm just grabbing the pizza.
I like cauliflower.
These are good. At least I like it. You say you do like cauliflower?
What?
Starting me off with some wanting some pepperoni or something.
Alright.
I'm trying to think it's hot.
Yeah.
Alright.
I don't like cheese.
You're good.
Yeah, that was good. Well, the only other cheese on here is ricotta. So the strong cheese kind of like evens it out.
I like the pizza better than I like the cauliflower.
Yeah, the cauliflower.
It's not bad, but it's just.
It needs like a sauce or something.
Yeah.
Alright, what are we drinking after dinner? Jimmy, you want some wine?
Yeah, alright.
You want this one?
Yeah.
It's from the aquarium.
Oh, I've never been there. Is it cool?
Is that in
Nashville?
That's the restaurant aquarium.
I don't remember getting that. Did we get that for like...
I honestly think this is Brandon's.
Had we even been there?
No.
I think I've only eaten there once.
I drank soda there.
Cool. Wine, pizza, bam. Yeah, I feel like the cauliflower needs a little bit of a sauce because it's dry.
See, even though it's really cheesy, it blends so well with the spinach that it just like kind of neutrals. I guess it just neutrals it out. The cheesiness, it kind of blends together perfectly.
I can't even really taste the ricotta.
Ricotta just makes it all creamy. It's not really like a strong taste. It's just a creamy cheese. We had issues with the dough.
I don't want to roll out.
That's good dough, though. Very good dough.
Well, it worked out. Going by their picture filled up an entire baking sheet. Ours was like, nah, I don't want to go today.
So,
I like the pizza.
I don't think I want to make it again because of the dough.
Yeah, the dough made it hateable. Really, I mean, it wasn't that bad.
was it too tough?
Kind of, we'd roll it out, it would come back in. It was just repetitive, and then it didn't say anything about using flour, so we didn't. And then it stuck to the parchment paper we were using.
Oh.
I can taste the spice too.
I'm actually getting cold. Which is really weird.
It is weird.
I was thinking it was just because you're eating healthy vegetables.
Oh yeah, actually.
These are filling though.
Yeah.
I want to do that cauliflower dough pizza.
I'm really surprised by that. It's so good.
That's what happens. Like every meal, we've been surprised.
It needs 2 pounds of salt on top of it.
We'll put a lot of salt on it.
This is 52% of your daily value of an average person.
Yeah, I need like 500%.
I think the cauliflower probably could have used a little bit more salt. I can see the pepper. I think the pizza's perfect. We'll have to remember this, because this is something we can easily replicate on our own. And then throw some like chicken on top.
Ooh.
Oh good. I'm gonna put this up. Thank you.
Wouldn't make a complete video if you didn't burp.
Well, I enjoyed the pizza.
Pizza was very good.
I think the cauliflower needs a little bit more flavor to it. Oh, it wasn't bad.
Well, the oranges were good with it, but there wasn't that many.
I know. You'd have to cut it and eat it pieces.
But cauliflower, it doesn't really have a taste, so it's...
I think that's what's throwing it off. I mean, it's not bad.
Yeah.
It's just, I'd rather not eat it. I want something with flavor.
I think if there was, like I said, if there was a sauce on the cauliflower, I think it'd be perfect.
Yeah. The vinegar didn't really do it justice this time.
Pizza's awesome though, even though the dough gave us a lot of trouble.
Maybe we can get like the canned dough from Pillsbury and just roll it out. Done! Spinach.
That is a good way to do spinach. I normally don't like cooked spinach, but I like spinach on pizza if it's just the leaves to get all like nice and crispy. But this isn't too bad.
Well, thank you for watching Cooking with Kay-ann. Let us know what you think. And I guess I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Bye.